System files corrupted by the Network Connectivity Assistant DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I have the verified steps to repair your Windows installation immediately. Before the walkthrough for Network Connectivity Assistant, note that a diagnostic resource for reviewing system references is linked below. This is the Network Connectivity Assistant, the Network Connectivity Assistant, an NCA service library. It manages the background discovery of network resources and localized direct access connections for corporate users. If corrupted, users will notice that their PC takes minutes to connect to Wi-Fi after waking from sleep, or the network icon will show a no internet exclamation mark. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Ncasvc is a core Windows component. Launch an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to scan for corruption and automatically replace missing or damaged system DLLs. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Network Connectivity Assistant file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Rebooting didn't clear the communication block, so we'll manually flush the network plumbing. Open command prompt as admin, then run these two commands. First type netsh space int space ip space rreset, then hit enter. Second, type netsh space winsock space reset, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, these DLLs act as the plumbing for your internet connection. Resetting the stack clears corrupted cached routes and orchestration manifests that a restart cannot reach. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for Network Connectivity Assistant DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. For users impacted by missing library references, the repair tool linked below provides general background information on Network Connectivity Assistant. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Network Connectivity Assistant was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.